Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Karibuni sana. If you're new here, please feel at home and please consider subscribing to our channel. Join this amazing community. My name is Mercy Chepkoech and I'm so happy to have you join in. If you also watch my videos and you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. I would really appreciate it. So today I'm feeling a bit lazy. I'm so tired and I'm thinking of what should I do. The day before yesterday I slept at 3 a.m. because I had some work I needed to finish online. So and yesterday I was a bit also busy, so I haven't had time to rest enough, and I'm thinking I should do so today. But before then, I just thought maybe I should just organize the house. It's in a bit of a mess, especially the kitchen. I should just organize and make it clean and neat, so that I can also get time to rest later. I think I have this thing where if things are not okay in the house, especially the kitchen or even the living room, the bedrooms, if things are all over, I feel like my head is not settled at all until I fix it. So right now I just have to do that before I take a rest and then maybe work later. And don't mind my hair, guys. Today I decided to shower from head to bottom. My hair looks so shaggy because I haven't combed it. I want to like fix it. Yeah, so I'll just do some mini twists maybe, and also fix Mali's hair because hers is also like mine. It's in a mess, so that one I'll do later. So don't mind how it looks like right now, and I'm not going anywhere anyway. Yeah, so back to what I'm supposed to do today. The fridge and the freezer. I should actually show you guys my kitchen, how it looks like, so you understand exactly what I mean. I just went to the fridge to pick something, and wow, it's in a mess. Let me tell you, it's in a mess. I didn't like it, so that's why I have to do that right now before anything else. Let me just show you how it is so that you understand exactly what I mean. Yeah, so this is my kitchen. Just look at it, guys. It's in a mess. It's right now it's noon. I haven't had time to like clear the sink, arrange the utensils back to where they're supposed to be. It's in a total mess. It's a small kitchen, but it's workable. I like it. Small but workable. Noon, it's 12:39 p.m. Thank God we have food in the fridge, so I'm not worried. So this is the freezer. It's dirty, as you can see. It's really dirty. Need to wash it and arrange it, of course. And this is the fridge. Just look at it, guys. It's in a total mess, like real mess. I just came to pick something and I couldn't even find where it was because we stuffed everything in after doing shopping 2 days ago. We normally do two shoppings every 2 weeks. Just look at it. So before that, first things first, I'm going to give the kids some lunch, and then I'm going to continue with my cleaning. So I'll see what we have here.
Love disconnection, love disconnection, love disconnection. Only you can turn me on. Show me direction, show me direction, show me direction. Only you can show me now. Love disconnection, love disconnection, love disconnection. Only you can turn me on. Show me direction, show me direction, show me direction. Only you can show me now. Love disconnection, love disconnection, love disconnection. Only you can turn me on. Show me direction, show me direction, show me direction. Only you can show me now. Love disconnection, love disconnection, love disconnection. Only you can turn me on. Show me direction, show me direction, show me direction. Only you can show me now. Only you, only you, only you, only you can turn me on. Only you, only you, love disconnection. Only you can turn me on.
So guys, the fridge is now empty. I've removed everything. Well, it's not that dirty as I thought. Actually, I think it's just that there were so many things that needed to be arranged, except this part that I think just remove this glass and then I'll wash it. Probably this one's too. Yeah. So the dough fridge had some quite dirt also. Yeah, so everything is out. I think this place is also dirty, as you can see. Everything is now out, and I'll probably also clean up there afterwards. So I'll just hurry up because of the items that need to go back to the freezer. I don't want them to melt.
Caught up in nothing, wasting your time ain't chasing stars. You're living the moment, carried away from who you are. Chasing stars, chasing stars, chasing stars, chasing stars. You're caught up in nothing, wasting your time ain't chasing stars. You're living the moment, carried away from who you are. Chasing stars, chasing stars, chasing stars, chasing stars. Chasing caught up in nothing, wasting your time ain't chasing stars. You're living the moment, carried away from who you are. Chasing stars, chasing stars, chasing stars, chasing stars. You're caught up in nothing, wasting your time ain't chasing stars. You're living the moment, carried away from who you are. Chasing nothing, wasting your time in chasing stars. You're living the moment, carried away from who you are. Chasing stars, chasing stars, chasing stars, chasing stars. You're caught up in nothing, wasting your time in chasing stars. You're living the moment, carried away from who you are. Chasing stars, chasing stars, chasing stars, chasing stars. Chasing stars. You're caught up in nothing, wasting your time in chasing stars. You're living the moment, carried away from who you are. Chasing stars, chasing stars, chasing stars, chasing stars. You're caught up in nothing, wasting your time in chasing stars. You're living the moment, carried away from who you are. Chasing stars, chasing stars, chasing stars, chasing stars. Chasing stars.
We used to have each other's playlists. No, no. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways, but your heart's still in mine. Yeah. And maybe we could try it next week again. But I don't wanna think we're toxic, but who cares? You said that we're over, hands under covers alone this time. But everything I see still reminds me of you. Bag of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together, me and you forever. Tell me where you've been, yeah, since our break. I'm sorry that I blamed ya for things you can't control. I've been in a daze. I left my heart out to you so you could see me through. Though you still deserve better, you stick with me, cause everything I see still reminds me of you. Bag of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together, me and you forever. We belong together, me and you forever. We belong together, me and you forever.
Love disconnection, love disconnection, love disconnection. Only you can turn me on. Show me direction, show me direction, show me direction. Only you can show me now. Love disconnection, love disconnection, love disconnection. Only you can turn me on. Show me direction, show me direction, show me direction. Only you can show me now. Love disconnection, love disconnection, love disconnection. Only you can turn me on. Show me direction, show me direction, show me direction. Only you can show me now. Love disconnection, love disconnection, love disconnection. Only you can turn me on. Show me direction, show me direction, show me direction. Only you can show me now. Only you, only you, only you, only you can turn me on. Only you, only you. Love disconnection. Only you can turn me on.
When I was lonely, you were with me. When I was empty, you touched me gently. You give me a purpose to my life. You give me a purpose to my life.
I wanna know you more. Yeah. I wanna love you more. I keep you waiting, always complaining, but I feel so complacent, never repay your payment. Oh God, you're amazing. Sometimes I get so impatient. No other replacement. You give me a purpose to my life, so I'll just be waiting. In my deep darkness, you are the light. Lord, you deserve all the worship and praising. I wanna know you more. But how could you do this for me? I wanna love you more. But how could you do this for me? I wanna know you I keep you waiting, always complaining, but I feel so complacent, never repay your pain. Oh God, you're amazing. Sometimes I get so impatient. No other replacement. You give me a purpose to my life, so I'll just be waiting. In my deep darkness, you are the light. Lord, you deserve all the worship and praising. I wanna know you more. But how could you do this for me? I wanna love you more. But how could you do this for me? I wanna know you more. I wanna know you love you more. But how could you do this for me? But how could you do this for me?
You're caught up in nothing, wasting your time ain't chasing stars. You're living the moment, carried away from who you are. Chasing stars, chasing stars. Chasing stars, chasing stars. You're caught up in nothing, wasting your time ain't chasing stars. You're living the moment, carried away from who you are. Chasing stars, chasing stars. Chasing stars, chasing stars. Chasing You're caught up in nothing, wasting your time ain't chasing stars. You're living the moment, carried away from who you are. Chasing stars, chasing stars. Chasing stars, chasing stars. You're caught up in nothing, wasting your time ain't chasing stars. You're living the moment, carried away from who you are. Chasing stars, chasing stars. Chasing stars, chasing stars. Chasing caught up in nothing, wasting your time ain't chasing stars. You're living the moment, carried away from who you are. wasting your time in chasing stars. You live in the moment, carried away from who you are. Chasing stars, chasing stars, chasing stars, chasing stars. Chasing stars.
Finally, my fridge and freezer is looking clean, neat and well organized. I have done a thorough job and it took longer than I expected, but I'm really proud of what I've come up with so far. I managed to transfer some of the things to the bigger freezer so that we could have enough space to even stock some more, especially when I cook meals for the whole week. And this is how clean it looks. So my next cleaning, of course, it's after 1 week, as I usually do cleaning every 1 week, once a week that is. And yeah, love it, love it, love
You live
it.
in the moment, carried away from who you are. Chasing stars, chasing stars, chasing stars, chasing stars.
And guess what we are having for dinner, guys? Mushrooms. I actually don't remember the last time I ate mushrooms. I think it's when I was still small, those days when my grandmom used to cook for us and we would really love it, and it was so easy to get them. I remember we would rush to the shamba and get as many as possible, and our grandmom would actually make it for us. So I decided to purchase this to make it for the kids because they've never had mushroom before. They don't know how it tastes, and they actually don't know what mushrooms are. So I can't wait to see how they will experience it. And I've also made some ugali. I've made some greens, and of course the mushrooms, I've made them exactly the way my grandmom used to make them. So I'm really hoping they would really, really, really love it. Personally, I can't wait to dig in. So that's how my day has been, the life of a stay-at-home mom. I hope you guys find this video so enjoyable, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe, please, if you haven't, and also share with your family and friends. Thank you for being here. Until next time, stay safe and bye-bye.